Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Shooter here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add an emoji to your Discord server name. And this does work for channels within the server and usernames as well. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, we're going to open up a new internet browser. And you can see at the moment, I'm currently on my Discord and I've got my Digital Tutor Discord server open, just as an example. So the first thing we need to do is come and open up a new tab. Then come across to google.com. And then what we want to do is type Unicode emoji. And then we're just going to click the first result. So this is actually a list of emojis that you can use. If you are looking for anything in particular, what you can do is if you actually hold Control and F, if you're on a Windows laptop or PC, and you can actually narrow the search down. So say I wanted to search for a heart, I could type heart and then hit enter. And you'll see that's taken me to some results with a heart. So I could do robots, and that's taken me down to the gaming one with robots and stuff like that. So to actually use these on your Discord, what you need to do is just pick any one of them. I'm just going to go for this smiley face here, and then if you hold the left mouse button and drag across so it's highlighted, and then all you need to do is right click and go ahead and click copy, and then just come back to your Discord. So if we want to edit the server name, what we would do is click the drop down box at the top. Just bear in mind that you do need to be the server owner, you can't just do this on any server. And then we would come down to server settings and then just literally paste wherever you want to. So I would right click and click paste, and you can see that's added a little smiley face. And then just make sure you hit the save changes pop up down here, which appears. And you can see that's added a smiley face. So you can also do this on the channels. All you need to do is click the gear icon next to the channel. It says edit channel, and again the same process, do a space or whatever you want to do, and click paste. Make sure to hit the save changes, and you can see we've got a smiley face there as well. So you can do this on your username as well if you want to. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, if you click the link in the video description down below, you'll be able to go ahead and buy a cup of coffee for the team here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.